in 5th grade, my teacher had always encouraged us to see that reading could help us explore the world. But the stories that he provided us only had white boys and their dogs as the main character. It didn't include girls like me, Black girls. I was the only person that was upset with not having diversity, and I was telling my mom, but she basically just told me, what are you gonna do about it? My name is Marley and I'm 15 years old. I'm the founder of the 1,000 Black Girl Books campaign, and we want to collect 1,000 books where Black girls were the main characters. And now, over the past 4 years now, we've collected 12,000 books. I spend a lot of time being the only Black girl, being the youngest person, and it definitely is an isolating experience for me. One way my confidence has grown is really through my parents. They've always told me that I was smart and that I was great and I was beautiful before anyone would challenge that idea. I normally go to Sephora with my dad. He calls himself Makeup Dad sometimes because I ask questions and then he starts to chip in or whatever. My parents have always encouraged me that, makeup doesn't define me, it only uplifts who I am and my own beauty. And I think the messages that I see when I started going to Sephora was that it wasn't just about, having perfect makeup or being able to do a perfect wing, but it was about feeling confident within yourself.
I am Janice, I'm Marley's mom. Things that people don't know about Marley is that she's goofy and funny. Her father is extremely witty and she has his wit. She does rhyme, though she doesn't want me to ever tell anybody that she rhymes. She's super fun, but she's also so extremely serious about certain matters. She's really serious about inclusion.
It is really important that we use our passions, our gifts, the things that we love to help others. And I want to be an ambassador for the greatness of girls and our intelligence and our beauty and all of those things.
Marley was the one who really taught me how to love. And that love is kind, it's forgiving, it is compassionate. And she really brought all of those things and made them real in my life. It's been a ride, but she makes it fun 99% of the time.
I want the world to know that activism can be an everyday thing, and it blazes a trail and really sets a tone that we can all be the main characters of our own lives.